What up, YouTube? I'm gonna show you a quick and easy recipe to make some Instapot corned beef and cabbage with bacon. Let's get it done. To start off, you're gonna get yourself a corned beef brisket. I got 2 of these, about little over 4 pounds each. The reason I do 2 is because I found with this recipe, my kids love this corned beef recipe. And if I only do 1, I don't have any leftovers. Get this opened up and get these guys rinsed off. Keep the seasoning packet. I just rinse these until they don't feel slimy. I just trim off some of the fat. Now this is going to depend on the brisket that you get. Because if you get a brisket that's fairly lean, you might not want to cut it. And the only reason I'm doing this is so that when this is done, you don't end up with just giant hunks of fat anywhere. All right, no need for that. You're gonna season this with black pepper and onion powder. The corned beef already has really good flavor to it, and you definitely don't need to add any salt. Season both sides. All right, time to get these into the pot. Add both. Just get them in there, and then add that whole seasoning packet on top of the second one too. If it goes in the bottom, that's fine. Add about a cup of beef stock or beef broth and a dark beer. Any dark beer will do. Now we're gonna seal this up and we're gonna set this for 90 minutes, hour and a half. Make sure it's sealed and let her rip. Corned beef is done. We're gonna do a quick release and start prepping our cabbage. We're gonna pull these and put these off to the side. Keep the brisket in the juice, not only to keep it moist, but also because we're gonna use that juice for the next step. Get yourself some bacon. Everything's better with bacon. Use thick cut bacon. It's more flavor, it's more fat, and it's more bacon. Just give this a rough chop. Chop up an onion. Get your bacon in there. That there is about done. You don't want it crispy. You just want it to start to slightly turn brown. You add your onions for saute. We're gonna let those onions cook for just a minute while we chop up our cabbage. And cut this however chunky you like it. Turn it off. Now that our onions have just gotten soft and a little bit translucent, this is the juice that we pulled off of the ground beef. We're just gonna add a little in here to deglaze the pan. In with the cabbage, optional. I hit this little SPG. You don't need a lot because you are going to get flavor from the bacon, the onions, and about 2 cups of the juice. Give this a rough stir. Oh. It already smells good. Go high for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, quick release. Your cabbage is done. Now, serve it up. Watch this. Oh, yeah. Real easy, real delicious. You want to come be my taste tester? And there you go. It is time to eat.